I know making presentations can be overwhelming and eats up so much time, even for simple animations or designs. But today, we'll change that as we jump into Pitch Agent, an AI tool built in Pitch that transforms your ideas into polished presentations in no time. I'm the PPT Pro, and welcome to New Tutorial. This is the Pitch website. You can simply type your prompt and get started right away for free. Or explore other subscription tiers if you're looking for wider team access or other features. Once you're in, you'll land right in your new Pitch workspace, ready to start creating. To get started, you can create a new presentation from scratch, import an existing one, or what we're focusing on today, create one with AI. When you click Create with AI, you'll see two options. You can type a prompt, as simple as create a presentation on climate change, or going much more in depth if you'd like to, and it'll generate the content for you. Or if you have content ready, like a PDF, CSV, or Markdown file, you can upload that for context for your deck generation. Once you've added your prompt or content and saved, you'll get to pick a template. Here's where Pitch really shines. You have access to hundreds of well-designed templates that match different themes. The AI will recommend ones that suit your needs, and you just choose your favorite. As you scroll through the templates, you can click on any of them to preview the slide designs. This way, you see exactly what to expect in your presentation before going ahead. And honestly, all of them are well designed and really serve their purpose beautifully. You simply click Generate from there, Pitch Agent takes over, and you can let it work its magic, generating a polished presentation in no time. Once the presentation is ready, you'll find yourself in the Pitch Editor. On the left side of the editing space, your presentation slides are displayed, allowing you to add more slides as needed, and pulling from the same consistent template too, so you can trust you're staying on brand and design first. At the top, you'll have tools to add text, media, shapes, charts, tables, embed interactive content from other tools, or even record video directly onto the slides. Great for presenting async. On the right side, you'll find tabs for design and animation, and collaborative features like comments, notes, slide statuses, and assigning slides to others. Now let's take a closer look at Pitch Agent in the editor. This tool lets you make live edits by simply chatting with it. For example, if I want to split the second slide into 2 slides, I just tell the Pitch Agent, split the second slide into 2 slides. It makes editing intuitive and efficient right within your workspace. And for another example, let's say you're not happy with the title on cover. You can simply ask Pitch Agent by saying, make the title on the cover slide less wordy. It will do it for you instantly, making it easy to refine your presentation on the fly. If you ever struggle with handling images, Pitch Agent can help generate and edit right here in the deck. Just select the picture on your slide and choose Edit with AI. For example, if you want to remove the image background, you can simply prompt it. If you'd rather swap out the image entirely or improve its quality, you can simply prompt it to replace the image or click to enhance the image resolution. In addition to editing slides, because Pitch Agent looks at my deck as a whole, it can also answer any questions you have about its content. I can ask it, summarize the learnings from this deck. As you can see, it did a great job on simplifying the whole deck. You can also create follow-up content based on my presentation, like emails or talking points. Outside of their new AI, one of the features I really like in Pitch is the smooth transition system between slides and how it does this for you at the click of a button. So let's say I have an element on the first slide, like an image, and I want it to smoothly move or transform into the next slide. All I need to do is to copy-paste it to the next slide, reposition or resize it, and then apply the continuity transition. Pitch will automatically animate the movement between the 2 slides, creating this clean cinematic effect. And not only that, Pitch offers a range of well-crafted animations for both entrance and exit. I can animate each one step by step. First, I'd group each point with its title and text. Then, I could choose any animation I like. Let's pick Grow Animation and apply it to each point. When I run the presentation, each point will appear in sequence, creating a smooth and professional effect, just what you'd want for your presentation flow. So, here are the final results of our presentation, crafted using Pitch and guided by Pitch Agent. To be honest, I think Pitch is an excellent tool for creating presentations, whether that be pitch decks, strategy decks, portfolios, and more, especially for those who might be short on time and want extra support with staying on brand. With that, thank you for watching, and I truly hope you learned something today.